We were on holiday in Killarney when Susan reminded me that my seeing Dad's birthplace had been one of the main reasons for our trip to Ireland. He was born on the 20th of September 1905 in Tralee prison, Ballymullen. So on a warm June morning, we drove about 30 miles to see the place. It had a faded, genteel atmosphere, and the barracks were grey and forbidding. We walked past the pub and post office to the poorer houses. An old woman told us that the prison had been demolished and a fine new school built on the grounds. It's a modern school which cost 16 million euros to build, and all teaching, except for foreign languages, is in Irish. The only remains of Tralee prison, which we found, was a corner of an old brick wall. It was high and forbidding, with big metal fixings, which would probably have held barbed wire on the top of the wall. It is strange to think that a building which 100 years ago would have imprisoned men for speaking Irish has today been replaced by a wonderful new school which is solely dedicated to the speaking and teaching of the Irish language.